Lesson 13, Fourier series. Section 13.4, Frequency spectrum. This is a measured square wave. Its amplitude Vm equals 2.5 volts and the period t equals 10 milliseconds. The fundamental frequency is 100 Hz or 0.1 kHz. We have learned that this square wave can be expressed by this Fourier series. This graph shows the Fourier coefficients of the square wave. The horizontal axis represents the frequency. The fundamental frequency is 0.1 kHz. The black bars represent the absolute values of the Fourier coefficients of the fundamental component Vm0, third component 1 over 3 times Vm0, fifth component 1 over 5 times Vm0, and so on. These coefficient values were calculated with Vm equals 2.5 volts. These red bars represent the measured values using the USB measurement instrument, the ADALM2000. The black bars are shifted slightly to the right, so that we can easily compare the measured and calculated values. This graph is called the frequency spectrum. Experiment 13.4. Pause the video, and follow the instructions. Measure the frequency spectrum of this square voltage. Connect the W1 pin to the 1 plus pin, and the G pin to the 1 minus pin. This is a snapshot of SCOPA. Click Spectrum Analyzer. Pause the video, and set the spectrum analyzer by following the instructions. Pause the video, and follow the instructions. The data of the measured frequency spectrum can be saved into a CSV file. From the saved CSV file, we can draw the frequency spectrum using, for example, Excel. Exercise 13.4.1. Draw the frequency spectrum expressed by this equation. Note that, the absolute values of Fourier coefficients are used to draw the frequency spectrum. The answer to exercise 13.4.1. This is the answer. The fundamental frequency is 1 Hz. The amplitude of the fundamental component Vm0 equals 8 over pi squared times Vm, equals 0.81 volts. This is for your reference. The Fourier series provided in this exercise represents a triangular waveform. Exercise 13.4.2. This is your homework. Pause the video, and write the answers. The author of this material is Takeshi Furuhashi, Professor Emeritus, Nagoya University. If you have any questions, send emails to this address.